Thanks for joining us here in London. Now, Wallapop is one of the most exciting startups in Spain right now, perhaps a European unicorn in the making. Wallapop is based in Barcelona, which is in Catalonia, and the Catalan independence movement has been gaining a lot of momentum lately. I think 1.4 million people marched in Barcelona in support of it. Catalan Parliament has voted to pass legislation to disconnect from the Spanish state, which the Spanish state obviously opposes. It's really interesting. There's a lot going on there. I wonder, do you support independence for Catalonia?
No. I think the world... I'm a global citizen, no? So, and I think I'm really not independent. I really believe that the world is too huge just to only focus in your own things, no? So I really consider that Wallapop is a Spanish company and also a Catalan company.
All right.
¿Qué coño es esto de la UDEF?